Hello students, in this video we are going to solve x square, this is equals to y plus 241, and y square, this is equals to x plus 241. Here x not equals to y, and we will find out the value of x and y. Look carefully. Let us consider this is equation number first and this is equation number second. If we subtract equation number second from equation number first, then in left hand side here negative sign and here minus and here minus. In left hand side x square minus y square, this is equals to, and in right hand side y minus x plus, and 241 minus 241, that is 0. Then in left hand side we will apply a square minus b square, this is equals to a plus b times a minus b. If we apply this rule, then x square minus y square is x plus y is multiplied by x minus y, and this negative x if we take in left hand side, then this is positive x, and this positive x if we take in left hand side, then this is negative x, and this is equals to 0. Here this x minus y and this x minus y is common. If we take x minus y is common, then in left hand side here x plus y plus 1, and this is equals to 0. We know that if a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0, b is equals to 0, or both are zeros. So it means x minus y, this is equals to 0, and x plus y plus 1, this is equals to 0. Then here we can say x is equals to y, and here x plus y, this is equals to negative 1. Look carefully. Let us consider this is case first and this is case second. But it is given x not equals to y, so it means this case is rejected. So we have x plus y, this is equals to negative 1. Now if we add both the equations, then in left hand side x square plus y square, this is equals to, and in right hand side y plus x plus 241 plus 241. Then x square plus y square, this is equals to value of y plus x. Y plus x is same as x plus y, and x plus y is negative 1. So this x plus y is replaced by negative 1 plus 241 plus 241, that is 482. Then x square plus y square, this is equals to 482, and then negative 1, that is 481. Here we know that the algebraic identity x plus y whole square, this is equals to x square plus y square plus 2 times xy, and we know that value of x plus y is negative 1. So here x plus y is replaced by negative 1 whole square, this is equals to, and x square plus y square is replaced by 481. So here 481 plus 2 times xy. Then negative 1 square, that is 1, and this 481 if we take in left hand side, then here minus 481, this is equals to 2 times xy. Then 2 times xy, this is equals to minus 480. Here 2 times xy, this is equals to minus 480, and if we divide both side 2, then in left hand side this 2 and this 2 is cancel out, and this 480 is divided by 2, then we get 240. Then here value of x times y is negative 240. And look carefully, here x plus y is equals to negative 1. X plus y, this is equals to negative 1. Here then value of y is negative 1 negative x. Here this x times y and this y is replaced by negative 1 negative x, then here negative 1 negative x, and this is equals to minus 240. This x is multiplied by minus 1, then we get minus x, and this x is multiplied by minus x, then we get minus x square, and this is equals to minus 240. Here if we take all the expressions in same side, then x square plus x minus 240, this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation, that is x square plus x minus 240, this is equals to 0. Here we will apply middle term split, then x square and this plus x is same as 16 times x minus 15 times x minus 240, and then here look carefully these two terms. Here if we take common x, then x plus 16, and here if we take common minus 15, then x plus 16, and this is equals to 0. Now x plus 16 is common. If we take x plus 16 is common, then here x minus 15, and this is equals to 0. Now we know that if a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. By using this rule, x plus 16, this is equals to 0, or x minus 15, this is equals to 0. Then here value of x is negative 16, and here value of x is 15. Now we know that x plus y, this is equals to negative 1, and here x plus y, this is equals to negative 1. Here we have two cases. Let us consider this is case number first and this is case number second. Then if x is equals to negative 16, then this x is replaced by negative 16 plus y, and this is equals to minus 1. Then value of y is negative 1 plus 16, then y is plus 15. And here x is replaced by 15 plus y, this is equals to negative 1, then value of y is negative 1 negative 15, then y is negative 16. So our solution is x comma y, this is equals to, here value of x is negative 16, then value of y is 15, and value of x is 15, then value of y is minus 16. So this is our final solution. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you.